Hola amigos and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, please subscribe. If you're not, welcome back. Today we've reached lesson 3. This is a very basic lesson. It's full of vocabulary and we're going to talk about la familia, which is the family. We're going to see the vocabulary of the family and how we can use these words and incorporate them in our everyday conversation. So we're going to start right away. So the first word is papa, papa, or we can say padre, padre. This means father. So this is how we say father in Spanish. The second word is mama, mama, or madre, madre. This is how we say mother in Spanish. Hermano, hermano. This is how we say brother in Spanish. So hermano means brother. Hermana, hermana. This is how we say sister in Spanish. Hermana. Now we have this word hijo. Hijo. And hijo means son. Hija, hija. Hija means daughter. Abuela, abuela. Abuela means grandmother. And abuelo, abuelo, which means grandfather. Now we have tío. Tío. Tío es el hermano del padre o de la madre. What does this phrase mean? It means that tío is the brother of the father or the brother of the mother, which makes him our uncle. So tío is uncle. And tía, tía es la hermana del padre o de la madre, which means she's the sister of the father or the sister of the mother, which makes her our aunt. Primo, primo means hijo de la tía y del tío. What does this mean? This means that el primo is the son of the aunt or the uncle, which makes him our cousin. So primo means cousin. Prima, prima es la hija de la tía y del tío. This means she's the daughter of our uncle or our aunt. So this means cousin, but the feminine version of the word. So if your cousin is a girl, you would say prima, and if your cousin is a guy, you would say primo. So this is the family tree. So we have abuela, abuelo for grandparents. We have tía, tío for aunt and uncle. We have mama, papa, or padre and madre for father and mother. And then we have primo and prima, which means cousins. And then hermana, which means sister. Hermano, brother. Y yo, which means me. So basically, this is the family tree. This is how you say all the vocabulary related to family in Spanish. You can start by using it, calling your father, your mother, your sister and brother maybe with these Spanish words, and basically start incorporating what you're learning in real life. Thank you for watching. This means a lot. Please subscribe to our channel. It would mean really, it would help us a lot. And we have an Instagram page if you're interested. We have like quizzes on there and a lot of vocabulary that you can additionally learn. So thank you for your support and see you in the next lesson. Adios.